We just picked up a super clean 2IS for my son, and we're going to be modding it and making all kinds of videos on it. Make sure to subscribe if you guys like 2IS content, because we have lots planned for the future. Welcome back, JDM fam. Today we are going to be working on the second gen 2011 2IS right here. This is a 250 IS that my son just purchased, and it is in great shape, but obviously it's not a brand new car. There are going to be things that need to be repaired, need to be fixed, and one of them are the weather strips. As you guys can see right here, one of the weather strips are gone. We're going to be replacing it. Now, we did go along in here. There were pieces of the weather strips stuck in here, so we did pull them out. There's still a little bit left, like inside here. So we're going to be replacing the weather strips today in today's video. This one is still in decent shape. Rubber's starting to fall apart though, but it's still holding on, which is good. So we're going to pop this one off and replace the other one on the other side. Let me show you guys what we've done so far. Basically, we haven't done much, but we did take out some of the plastic clips that are in here. As you can see, these little plastic clips in here were broken off of the old ones. There they are right there. So these are brand new. We have a brand new set right here. Brand new rubber, feels great and looks way better. And these are supposed to be Toyota or Lexus pieces. Not sure if they are. That's what I was told. I did get these for free from the dealership, so I didn't have to spend any money on these. So basically, we're just gonna pop this one off, replace it, obviously, and then replace the one over there as well. Make sure that all the clips are out on that side, so it will actually fit in, and then it will look a lot better versus having this one that is just falling apart. So I haven't actually properly introduced you guys to my son. This is Dominic.
Hey guys.
And this is his IS. So let's get started. All right, so we got this weather stripping off. As you can see, pretty clean removal right here until you get right here. Still pieces stuck inside the clips. This thing fell apart so bad that you can't even see the clips. They're just gone. And they're covered up by the rubber and plastic of that last weather stripping. And if you guys look up here, you'll see that they just glued it in. I don't think that's how it's supposed to go in. Man, these things were bad. These are definitely bad. So look at all the stuff we're taking out of here. So we're just gonna keep going, cleaning out these clips, and then we'll replace it.
Oh! I knew that was gonna happen.
Yep. Turn it off. It's fine. So after cleaning out all of the clips and cleaning out all of the glue up here, this piece is back in. We did do something that I didn't show you guys on camera. I took one of the clips down here. I don't remember if it was one of these, which one it was. And we basically, okay, so I guess it was this one, because there are clips all around it. So we just popped out one of these clips right here and replaced it and put it up here, because obviously you're going to need the top and the bottom clips for sure. So after using one of the clips down here, up here, it holds great. And before we put the clip in here, is basically popped up like this, so it would not hold in. Now it's holding great and it looks really good. It was so much work cleaning out all of the glue in there, but it is looking so much better. It looks stock again, guys. And now we have brand new weather stripping, brand new rubber right here. Look at all of this junk in here. And now it's on to the next side. So this is Dom installing the next one. Super easy, guys, super simple. That other side probably should have only taken maybe 10 minutes. It ended up taking like 35 minutes. And some of these clips are actually cracked and broken over here because this side was obviously without a weather stripping for a long time. A bunch of these clips are actually broken. Luckily, the top one isn't. Looks great. So that is it, guys. We just replaced the weather stripping on this 2IS 2011 Lexus IS250. beautiful car, guys. And these cars are getting a lot harder to get from dealerships and at decent prices. So definitely a beautiful car that I'm excited to start modding in the future. Just a little maintenance that it actually needed. So thanks for watching, guys. See you guys later.